ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तवा विद्विषावहै। शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। After being done in all the lingas, Ganesh, you are doing. Go from here to point 1.3. विशेष अनुगुणतया शानजन्तरूपं प्रयुज्य वाक्यानि कृतम्। भक्तः वन्दते धातुः वदीदाति इति त्वात् इतो नुम् धातोः सूत्रेण वन्दते वन्देते वन्दन्ते विरूपम्। तं देवम् अनुगृह्णाति अनुपूर्वक ग्रह धातु संप्रसारण धातु त्रयादिगण नवम गणः संप्रसारणं happens. धातुभ्यं गृह्णाति अनुगृह्णाति अनुग्रहः संगृह्णाति all from the grah dhatu. Important dhatu. Sangrahanam. Sangraha means collection, accumulating, collecting. Anugranati is listening. So, Vandamanam Bhaktam Devaha Anugranati. Anugranati Mukhya Kriya. Kaha Anugranati Devaha Karta. Therefore, it is Pratama Vibhakti. Kam Anugranati Bhaktam. Idrisham Bhaktam Bhaktam Vandamanam Bhaktam. Karma is bhakta. Bhakta is karma. And therefore, Dvitiya. Bhakta is karma, therefore Dvitiya. Anabhigita karma. And Deva is, in the context, it happens to be the Karta. Karta will be in Tritiya Vibhakti, it's a rule. See, Prathama Vibhakti can be there for any Karaka, not only Prathama. Can be for any Karaka, Karta, Karma, even Karanam also. Stali Pachati, when you say, they say, cooker, cooks. Stali is the Karanam, Pachati. Can say, that is Prathama Vibhakti there. Stali. So Karana can also be in Prathama. Sampradana can be in Prathama. Apadana can be in Prathama. Dikanam also. So any Karaka can be in Prathama. Therefore, that which is Prathama is Karta, we cannot say. That which is Prathama is always Karta. No. The purpose of Prathama Vibhakti is to give the meaning of the very word, Pratipadika. Here, Deva is a word. It has got a Pravritti Nimitta. Devatvam Asti, the one in whom Devatvam is said is called Devaha. The Devatvam is Jati and Devaha is Vyakti. The word has got Pravritti Nimitta. We say technically Pravritti Nimitta. Means it has the basis for the usage. Means it denotes something like why a gata is called a gata. We don't call a clay as gata. Clay has got claytvam, mritvam. Once it becomes a pot, it becomes potness, gatatvam. There are many pots, and I am referring to a particular pot, a brown pot, then it is Vyakti. Okay, so therefore the word just, when you want, just conveys a meaning. When the intention is to convey just the meaning of the word, then Prathama Vibhakti is used. That is what Prathama is technically. There is a sutra. Pratipadika Linga Parimana Vachana Matre Prathama. But always we say loosely, Prathama Vibhakti, therefore Karta. Kartari Prayoga. Prathama Vibhakti in karma, therefore it is Karmani Prayoga. It is to start with. If Karta is to be represented, Karta will take Tritiya. Karna will take Tritiya Bhakti. We are saying Chaturthi, Sampradana. Sampradana will take Chaturthi. Apadana will take Panchami. Adhikarana will take Saptami. Karma taking Dutiya. Then Prathama, any Karaka can take. That's why a word, its meaning, wants to convey its meaning. For that, Vibhakti, Prathama Vibhakti is added. So it conveys the meaning of the Pratipadika and what Linga is, what number is, what Jati or Vyakti, and what Karaka also. It happens to be Kartakaraka, fine. It happens to be Karmakaraka, Karmani Priyaha, that is also fine. Stali Pachati, Stali is the instrument. It's a Karana. Yaya Pachati, it is Stali. It's a means. The Netram, for example, Netre Pashyataha. Netre Pashyataha, Netra is Karana. That Vitpatti itself is Karana. Drishyate, आभ्याम दृश्यते आभ्याम इति नेत्रे चक्षुः चक्षुषी कर्ण भद्रम कर्णेभिः कर्ण ears ये भी आभ्याम श्रूयते इति श्रुतिः कर्णम श्रुतिः श्रोत्रम श्रोत्रेन्द्रिय. Okay, therefore prathama vibhakti we need to slowly define our understanding. All starting with we say karta prathama. Prathama is pratipadikarte prathama. Simple, we understand like that. Now onward. Pratipadikarte prathama. You cannot use a pratipadikam in the language. Any word, undefined word, crude word, pratipadikam must be converted into a padam. Rama, the word is there, cannot be used. By Ramanga, the word, what does it tell? Rama, the word tell, it is Sutatvam of Dasharatha and Kausalya. And Rama, and it is Dravya. And Rama referring, when you say Rama, it is also conveys a linga also. The word is linga. And how many Ramas, that also we can say. And Rama, in the context, Rama could be Karta. Just want to bring out the meaning of the word Rama, then you add Prathama Vibhakti. Ramaha means Rama, that's it. Whether he does any action or not, and you want to present him in Tatrikarka, that is your wish. If Rama is a Karta, then it has to be Tritiya. Called Ramena Vanam Gamyate. Can be. Rama is the Karta. If Rama is the Sambandha between the Kriya Padam and Rama is direct. If Rama does the Kriya, then we place the Rama in Prathama Bhakti. That's what we say, Karta in Prathama. Okay. All technical things we need to understand. Okay. Now let us do the exercise. Bhikshukah dhanam prarthayate tam dhanikah ninditavan. Is there any word dhanikah? Dhanikah is that. Dhanikah. Dhanika, the word itself derived from the dhana, but itself is a tadita. On that, there is another word, dhanikah. It is maybe a typo, I think, but I don't see. It's becoming a dhanikah by any other word. Maybe a mistake. Or let me check later, but it is dhanikah. Okay. Dakshukah dhanam prarthayate tam dhanikah ninditavan. Yes, can do beauty. 1, 2, 3, the same order.
धनिकः निन्दितवान्. So kam निन्दितवान्, भिक्षुकं निन्दित. So धनं प्रार्थयमानं भिक्षुकं धनकः निन्दितवान्.
Yeah. Dhanam prarthayamaanam bhikshukam. Dhanikah ninditavan. Okay. Dhanam prarthayamaanam. Prarthayate is replacing te by mana. Prarthayamaanam. Dhanam prarthaya manam bhikshukam. When you say dhanam prarthayamaanam bhikshukam, all are karma. Only thing is karma for what changes. Dhanam is a karma for prarthana kriya, and bhikshika is a karma for nindana kriya. Okay, next one. Raja.
Sorry, Vijay.
Yeah, we can do the next one.
Yeah. आपणिकः विक्रीणीते तेन वस्तुनः मूल्यम् उक्तम्. So तेन, so आपणिकः will become आपणिकेन. Then विक्रीणीते, so विक्रीणानेन आपणिकेन वस्तुनः मूल्यम् उक्तम्.
Yes, good. Vikrina. What's the pratipadikam? Vikrinana. Vikrinanena. What do you say? Vikrinena.
No, I said विक्रीणानेन.
So Vikrinanena aparikena. Vastunaha mulyam uttam. Vastunaha is Shashti. Mulyam is karma, object. So this mulyam uttam by him. Karmani prayoga. Yes, next one.
देवदत्तः भुङ्क्ते तस्मै एतत् फलं ददातु. देवदत्ताय भुञ्जान एतत् फलं ददातु.
Bunjana. What is Bunjana? Devadattaya Bunjana, you said. What is Bunjana? Devadattaha Bhunkte. Bhunkte should be converted into a Shanach. And Bhunkte is in what? Here, this Kriya Bodam Bhunkte. And Devadattaha becomes Devadattaya. Then Bhunkte, when it is converted into a Shanach Rupa, will it not be adjective? Will it not be adjective to Devadatta? How can Bunjana? Bunjana has got no visarga.
Bhunjanana?
No, Bunjana is a pratipadika. Why Bunjanana? No. Tasmai is replaced by Devadattaya. Devadattaya etam palam dadatu. Then Bhunkte.
Bhunkte is Bhunjamana?
Bunjamana, no. Bunjana, fine. But not Bunjana is pratipadika. What vibhakti have you used?
Bhunjamanam.
Bunjamana. What Bunjamana?
Sorry, Bunjaya?
Bunjaya. Bunjana is a pratipadika. Then Manala will not come. Bunjana being a pratipadikam, what will come, Jyotiji?
Bunjanaya.
Bunjanaya Devadattaya etat palam dadatu. Chaturtya Bunjana pratipadikam. Converting a Kriya Padam into a Shanach Rupam and putting it as an adjective to the substantive.
Understood.
So it has to be of the same gender and vibhakti and vachanam. Next one.
Vrukshah kampate tasmat parnani patanti. So kampamanat vrukshat parnani patanti.
Yes. Good, simple one. Apadana Panchami. Yes, let's go.
सह शेते तस्य उत्तापनं मास्तु. So tasya is there. So shete, shayana.
Yes.
So shayanasya tasya uttapanam mastu.
Yes. Shayanasya tasya uttapanam mastu. Shete is Shayana. Shete Shayate Sherate. Shayana. Next one.
शत्रुसैनिकः म्रियते तस्मिन् पुनः बाणप्रयोगः मास्तु शत्रुसैनिके म्रियमाणे पुनः बाणप्रयोगः मास्तु
Shatru Sainiki, right? Okay, that's a thing.
तस्मिन्
Liyamane, you said, right?
हम्म,
That's correct.
म्रियमाणे पुनः बाणप्रयोगः
Yes.
मास्तु
Liyamane Shatru Sainike Punaha Manat Prayogaha Mastu. Yes. Next one.
माता आशंकते सा पुत्रम् आहूय पृच्छते. So आशंकमाना माता पुत्रम् आहूय पृच्छते.
Yes. Ashankamana Telinga. Mata. Ahuya is indeclinable. Apuruka Sudatu. Telya Pratyaya. Udatu, which conjugation? Third conjugation.
That is first only, no?
Yeah,
Ahuya.
because if it is third of a conjugation, you will have
Duplication.
duplication. Therefore, it cannot be third conjugation. The dhatu is two. Dana dana yoho. Sorry, that is who dhatu. Yana ahuya. This first conjugation. Ahvayati dhatu. You say ahvayati, etc. Right?
Hmm.
So it is range, what we saw.
Hmm.
Range dhatu. Ahuya. That comes, therefore, samprasarana happens. All these things we have seen. This is dhatu is kve. Spardayam shabdecha. Okay, next sentence. Bajaj.
बालिका वाक्यं प्रयुङ्क्ते सा अन्या दृष्टवती. सा balika will mean balika. So prayunkte will become prayunjana.
Prayunjana, yes.
Prayunjana balika vakyam anyam drishtavati.
Vakyam prayunjana radhika anya drishtavati. Right? Anya drishtavati means strong actually. Anyam,
Hmm.
that
Yeah,
should be
anyam.
nuswara. It's object. Sa anyam drishtavati. And vakyam, prayunjana, what is the meaning of sentence?
She is speaking and saying.
What?
The girl is speaking. Vakyam prayunkte sa anya drishtavati. So she is seeing another girl also. Sa anya drishtavati.
Yeah, what's the complete
Niyam.
sentence? What do you translate? What is the translation?
So the girl while speaking saw another girl.
Yes. Vakyam prayunjana, when using the Vakya sentence, while speaking, simple. While speaking, she saw the other person. Okay.
पत्नी भुङ्क्ते तां पतिः आहूतवान् पत्नी भुञ्जाना पतिः आहूतवान्
No. Tam is that
पतिः
converted, not patim.
तां
Patihi tam ahutavan. Patihi tam ahutavan. Kam. Patneem.
पत्नीं ओके
Therefore,
पत्नीं कुञ्जानां
Bunjanam Patnim Patihi
पतिः
Agutavan. All of you can raise your voice and say, already it's 6 o'clock. Still. Open up. Next turn.
बटवः वेदम् अधीयते तैः गुरुः नमस्कृतः. So वेदम् अधीयानैः बटुभिः गुरुः नमस्कृतः.
Good. Vedam Madhyanahi Patubhihi. Yes. Guru Namaskృతः. That's correct. Good. That's right.
Yeah. विनीताः पंडितान् सेवन्ते तेषां समीपं भवान् गच्छतु. Okay. So तेषां, this is Shashti Vibhakti.
Yes.
Bahuvachan.
Tesham Sakti.
So it will be Panditan Sevamananam Vinitanam Samipam Bhavan Gachatu.
Panditan Sevamanana. Then
Vinitana.
Vinitaha Sevante. What's the Pradipadikam? It's one person or many people? Many people there.
Many people.
So, Vinitaha Strilinga or Pullinga? You
This
can
is
take any
Pullinga.
Vinitaha. It can be any linga can be taken. Strilinga also can be taken. Pullinga also. Vinitaha and Vinaya are same meaning. Vinitaha Vinaya means people who are humble. So Vinitaha Panditan Sevante. So Panditan Seva Mananam Vinitanam Samipam Bhavan Gachatu. If it is Strilinga, then it will be like Rama Shabda. Then also, interestingly, the form will be same form. If Sevamana is the Pratipadikam, Shashti Bhakti in Pullinga Sevamanana, right? In Strilinga also, Sevamana is a Pratipadikam, Shashti Bhakti will be Sevamanana. Similarly, Vinita is there. Bhagavachanam, Vinitana in Pullinga. Vinita, Strilinga Pratipadikam, Bhagavachanam, Vinitana. The Pullinga and Strilinga, the form will be same for both these words. And it has to be Pullinga. Why? Cannot be Strilinga. In the context, it has to be Pullinga.
तेषां,
Exactly.
it should be otherwise it will become tasam.
Exactly. Therefore, it is not Strilinga. It is Pullinga. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Next sentence. Please read.
सैनिकाः युध्यन्ते ते सैनिकान् मारयन्ति सो सैनिके युध्यमाने
Te is called
सैनिका
Prathama Bhagavachan. So te is te only. I mean, Sainikaha only.
सैनिकाः युध्यमानाः सैनिकान् मारयन्ति
Maragati. Vidyamanaha Sainikaha Sainikan Maraganti. Simple one.
छात्राः स्पर्धन्ते तेषु उत्साहः महान् अस्ति.
Yeah.
छात्रेषु स्पर्धमानेषु छात्रेषु उत्साहः महान् अस्ति.
Yes. Saptami is Aupashleishika Saptami. Or Abhivyapaka also you can say Adhikarana Saptami. Vardhamaneshu Chatreshu Sagaha Mahanasti. Yes. Next sentence.
जनकः गृहे वर्धते तस्मात् धनम् आनय. तस्मात्. So it will be गृहे वर्धमानात् जनकात् धनम् आनय.
Yes. Tasmat referring to the father. From him,
Father.
bring money. Yes. So Grihe Vartamanat Janakat Dhanam Anaya. Yes. Your next sentence.
सा जलम् आधत्ते तया सह भवती गच्छतु. सा जलम् आधत्तया सह भवती गच्छतु.
Adate will become
आधत्तया
Adattaya. Why Adattaya? What is the Dhatu?
आदत्
Dhatu. Dhatu is Dha Dhatu. Dha Dhatu, which is third conjugation. Beginning we get these forms for all these dhatus. Dadhana. Form would be Dadhana. Latlakara with Dadhati, Dattaha, Dadati. Datte, Dathate, Dadate. Brepadi. So here what is that? Aap is a upasarga. Adhatte. Adhatte, the meaning of Dha is Dudanch, Dharana Poshtayoho. Okay. Dharana Poshtayoho. That is Dhadat. Dharanam is hold, supporting, sustaining, portion. So, Adhatte, meaning hold, possess, take, that meaning. Adhatte, Dha upasarga. Keeping. So, Jalam Adhatte. She holds the water. She keeps the water. She takes water the way. Adhatte. Right? She holds, that is better, she holds water. Taya saha bhavati gacchatu. So third conjugation. Shanachrupam of the third conjugation. It will be, we have seen, you have to take the second, that is Atmanepadi, second Uttam Purusha Dvivachan. Dadate, te, you remove it, replaced by
ददति
Ana.
ददान
Dadhana. Therefore, Adatte becomes Adadhana.
आददान
Adadana, Srilinga. Jalam, Adadhana, Sa. Okay, Tritya Bhakti is that. Fine. Convert into
Dadhanaya.
Tritiya. Dadhana will become Dadhanaya. 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 Yeah.
ददानया
So, Jalam Dadhanaya Taya Saha Bhavati
Gacchatu.
Gacchatu. Dadhana become Dadhanaya. Srilinga. So, Dha is Dadhana that we have to remember. That's right.
रोगः वर्धते तस्मात् शिशुः क्षीणः जातः. So वर्धमानात् रोगात् शिशुः क्षीणः जातः.
Good.
सः
Next.
सः शाकं विक्रीणीते भवान् तस्य समीपं गत्वा मूल्यं पृच्छतु.
Prichyatu.
पृच्छतु. तस्य so षष्टि. विक्रीणीते will become विक्रीणानः. So विक्रीणानस्य. So शाकं
Yes.
विक्रीणानस्य तस्य समीपं भवान् गत्वा मूल्यं पृच्छतु.
That's good. Next one.
कुतृणानि वर्धन्ते तेषाम् उत्पाटनं कारय। वर्ध वर्धमानेषु
Vardhamaneshu. Why Vardhamaneshu? How will it in Saptami here?
तेषां
Tesham is there. Tesham, Kesham, Kutrananam. Kutrananam. Kutrananam is beach. Trana is grass. Kutrananam beach. So Kutrananam,
वर्धमानानां
Vardhamananam, Kutrananam,
उत्पाटनं कारय।
Utpadamam. Destroy. Vardhamananam, Kutrananam, Patanam, Arya. Remove it. Destroy it. Okay. Destroy it.
सः श्रमात् जुगुप्सते. It should be jugupsate, no?
Yeah. Jugupsate. Yeah. Not Takara. Yes. Jugupsate. Yeah. Jugupsate. Jugupsate means
Tam
hating,
kim,
bearing malice.
तं किमर्थं कार्यार्थं भवान् आह्वयति.
Hmm.
तं जुगुप्समानं श्रमात् जुगुप्समानं तं किमर्थं कार्यार्थं भवान् आह्वयति.
Jugupsa is hate. Jugupsate. So Shramat Jugupsate. Shramat Jugupsam. Jugupsamanam tam. Yes. Bhavan kimartam karyartam akhayati. Yeah, that's correct. Next one.
चर्चा प्रवर्तते तस्यां भवतः प्रवेशः मास्तु. Tस्यां is that. So this is Sri Lanka Saptami. So,
Hmm.
so pravartate, pravartamana. So pravartamanayam चर्चायां भवतः प्रवेशः मास्तु.
Yes. Vartamanayam Charchayam in the discussion, Charcha, debate ongoing. Your entry is must
Do
to,
not enter.
don't enter. Entry is prohibited. Yeah, next one.
मित्रं खिद्यते तस्य साहाय्यम् अवश्यं करणीयम्।
Friend is in trouble with Kidyate. Kidyate is Kedaram Kidda is in pain. Suffers.
So,
Simple one.
मित्रस्य
Yes.
खिद्यमानस्य
Kidya.
साहाय्यं खिद्यमानस्य साहाय्यम् अवश्यं करणीयम्।
Kidyamanasya mitrasya sahayam avashyam karaniyam. Sahayam, help. Help avashyam karaniyam should be done for the friend who is suffering. Okay. Yes.
तथा अनुवर्तते तस्याः अग्रिमः भागः कुत्र. So अनुवर्तमानायाः कथायाः अग्रिमः भागः कुत्र.
Yes.
रोगः प्रत्यवर्तते.
Pratyavartate. Pratyavartate means comes back. It is
Repeating.
what you call
Repeating.
repeating.
तस्य चिकित्सा जागरूकतया करणीया.
Jagarukataya is carefully.
Carefully do.
The statement should be done carefully.
So tasya shashti vibhakti. So प्रत्यावर्तते. So प्रत्यावर्तमानः. So प्रत्यावर्तमानस्य रोगस्य चिकित्सा जागरूकतया करणीया.
Yes.
सः आत्मानं बहु मन्यते तस्मिन् भवतः स्नेहः किमर्थम्?
Saha atmanam bahumanyate. Bahumanyate meaning,
He thinks
Thinks
too
it.
much of himself.
yeah, manit. It's manito it is.
Mm.
How are
Mani.
you friends with me? सः आत्मानं बहु मन्यमानेन भवतः स्नेहः
Manyamane tritya not. Tasmin,
तस्मिन् is सप्तमी.
tasmin, yeah. Atmanam manyate manyamana. Atmanam bahumanyamane
मन्यमाने
tasmin. By manena will not, Tritya will not come. Bahumanyamane atmanam bahumanyamane tasmin bhavataha snehaha kimartam. Stigdhatu etc.
सः आत्मानं बहु मन्यमाने
Saha will not be.
भवतः.
Saha removed. Saha is become tasmin.
Okay.
2 times tasmin will not come. Only tasmin is
तस्मिन्
there.
ओके तस्मिन् आत्मानं बहु मन्यमाने भवतः स्नेहः किमर्थम्?
Snigdhatu, that is why it's saptami. Snigdhatu, you expression in the love, etc. Then it will go on towards who or in whom you have tasmin, degaha or premaha, priyaha. That will be saptami. But tasmin snegaha kimartam. Okay, next one.
येनाः दयन्ते तेभ्यः कुक्कुटशिशवः भीताः. तेभ्यः दयमानेभ्यः श्येनेभ्यः कुक्कुटशिशवः भीताः.
Yes. No, karmani shanach. So karmani shanach, this is, you will see it's very common. Karmani prayoga. Like we have karmani prayoga, we saw that chatranta will be used in tritiya. Similarly here also, tritiya, karmani shanach. Separate topic. We don't see karmani shatra separately. But here karmani shanach. Vardate, vandate, unkte, ityadayaha, atmane, padidhatavaha, कर्तरि प्रयोगे सन्ति. We saw. Okay. अतः वर्धमानः वन्दमानः भुञ्जानः इत्यादि शानजन्तरूपाणि कर्तरि प्रयोगीयानि. What is प्रयोगीयानि?
प्रयोगीय should be used. प्रयोगीय it's बहुवचनम्.
प्रयोगीयानि, प्रयोगीयं, प्रयोगीये, प्रयोगीयानि. So generally we have This is a different pratyaya, not doesn't seem to be. Kartari prayogaha prayogiyani. Yatranta rupani prayogiyani. Yeah, when Kritya Tavya Aniyar. So here is Vijidatu Prayogiyani. Check. I think. Prayogiyani. Prapurvaka Dhatu is Vijidatu. Then Vijidatu, Prapurvaka Vijidatu. Yeah. Okay, this is Vikritya Pratyaya. This is next topic we are going to see. There may be some special exception for this topic. So the form would be Prayogiya. Prayogiya is a word. So and therefore it should be Prayogiyam, Prayogiye, Prayogiyam. I've not seen this for first time I'm seeing. That's why I'm thinking this. How is that this form of this? Prayogiyami. We say Prayogtavyam, Tavya Pratyaya, then Aniyar, Yojaniyaha, Prayojaniyaha, Prayojaniyani, like that it is. Yojaniya, Prayojaniya, Prayogiyani, completely different. So that's what I have to think. What is this? Anyway, I'll see what pratyaya is used for this. The different. I don't think it is Kadanta. Okay, fine. But I will my homework for that. Vardyate, no, karmani. Vandate become vardyate, vandyate, bhujyate. Ityadi karmani, prayogiyani. Prayogiyani, iti vayam janimaha. एतेषामपि आत्मनेपदित्वमेव इत्यतः एतेषामपि शानशप्रत्ययाः सम्भवन्ति वर्ध्यमानः वर्धते वर्धमानः वर्ध्यते वर्ध्यमानः वर्ध्यमाना or वर्ध्यमानं similarly वन्दते वन्दमाना वन्द्यते वन्द्यमाना. So in karmani prayoga, since yak will be there, once yak comes, all this will become adanta anga. When it is Adantanga, then Ana follows, Mukha Kama will come. Therefore, you will have Makara, you will have Mana, Vandyamana, Vandyamana, Bhujyamana in Karmani. Therefore, Karmani Shanach is simple. Even Bhunte also, Bhujyate, that is simple. Bunjana, Kartari. Bhujyate, Bhujyamana. The Shanach will be simple. You will have Mana. Ya will be there. Yapratyaya. So therefore, with regard to Shatru Pratyaya, Anga will be Adanta Anga, therefore Mukha Kama comes, therefore Mana you will get. Karmani Rupeshu Te Taha Purvam Nirarasvaha Karavoti. Just saying about Adanta Anga, 1, 4, 16 we know. For first conjugation, third, fourth conjugation, sixth and 10th conjugation. But in fact, for this, for all the conjugations will come. You don't require any. You don't require, because this is going to be Karmani. Karmani Rupeshu, Te Taha Purvam Sarvada Rasvaha Bhavati Eva. Ataha Karmani Sarveshu Shaneshu. Yes. This is, again, it's a mistake. It's not required for us. I'm just telling you. Kartari Rupeshu, before Te Taha Purvam Sarvada Rasvaha Kara. Okay. This is, yeah. Karmani Rupeshu. This is saying for Karmani. In Karmani form of the dhatus, before te you will have in Karmani because yak is there. So therefore yate with regard to the yak, the pratyaya, the yate, that is yak is the pratyaya and te is the ting pratyaya. Yak is the vikana pratyaya. So ya will be there. And ya is yak pratyaya, ya, that will be added to the dhatu. So with regard to te pratyaya, anga will be ending with ya. Ya means a. For adantanga, that's what he says, karmani rupeshu, like yeah, in the karmani forms. We have Vadyate, before te a is there. Vadyate, before te a is there. Bhujyate, similarly. Similarly, in Shanachupam also you will have yaka, before Shana. Therefore, Mukkagama will come. Therefore, it becomes Mana. Mukkagama will come for the yak, that is for the pratyaya. Yak pratyaya. Mukh is a kit pratyaya. Therefore, comes for this Tani, which is yak. Therefore, Vardya, Vardyamana. Vandya, Vandyamana. So, for this is going to be for all the dhatus. Therefore, it is easy. Not difficult like the Tartari. Tartari, at least we need to remember Shanach form of some dhatus. But here it is simple. Gam dhatu become Gamyate. So before te a is there. That ya ending with a. And Karmani, Shanach will be Gamyamana. So Adantanga, therefore Mukkagama. And te is replaced by ana. Therefore Mana, Gamyamana. Vandyate, Vandyamana. Kadyate, Kadyamana. Vandate Kartari, there it is Vandamana. Kadati, not Kadyate. Kadati is, what is the Shatranta Rupam of Kadati?
Adan.
It's Kadan. There is no Shanach Rupam. It is Kadati, is Parasmai Paridhatu. How can that be Shatranta form? Shanach form. Kadan only. But in Karmani, what happens? All dhatus takes Atmane Pada Pratyaya. Therefore, Kadyamana. Shruyate, Shruyamana. Shrinoti, Shrinman. That is Shatru. Iman Likati, Likan, Likanto, Likanta. And also in terms of gender also it is very easy. Yatranta, we have the num will come optionally for in the Shrilinga Pratipadika for sixth conjugation and all we need to know. But here we don't have any such problem at all. Simple. Likati, sixth conjugation. Therefore it is Likan and Pullinge, Likan. Shrilinga we have two forms, Likanti or Likati.
Kati.
But here it is Karmani Likyate, Likyamana. So in the Srilinga here only, just to add ta pratyaya, Likyamana, make it dirgha, get a Srilinga form, simple. Similarly, Kriyate, Kriyamana. Dhatu is Kru Dhatu. Karoti, Kartari, Kriyate, Karmani. And Karmani Shana should be Kriyamana. Same thing for future Shatru also. Isn't it? In future also is
Rishyamana.
Bhavishyati.
Hmm.
That also we saw. I think this book last a few pages maybe there one or two. Prapyate, dhatu is apdhatu, apnoti, fifth conjugation. Apnuvan, apnuvanto, apnuvantaha. The karmani will be apyate, prapyate, prapyamana. Similarly, rakshamana, uchyamana, uchyamana, pragyujyamana. So we see the usage of karmani shanach very widely. Vandate, vandamana. Karmani of vandate is vandyate, vandyamana. Similarly, vardate
Vardhamana.
Vardhamana.
and karmani of vardate.
Vardhyate.
No,
Vardyate.
so Vardyate. It it is vridhyate.
Vartyate,
Dhatu will not.
vartyamana.
Dhatu is vrid dhatu. It cannot undergo angakarya. It cannot become vard. Vridhyate, vridhyamana.
Vidyamana.
Kurute, kurvana. Kurvana, chiramatmanaha, kurvana. Kurvanaha, pullingi. Kurute. Karmani,
Kriyate,
kriyate,
kriyamana.
क्रियमाणः. प्रार्थयते,
Prarthayamana.
प्रार्थयमानः प्रार्थयते. कर्मणि of प्रार्थयते.
Same.
Prarthyate.
No, it's not same. It is
No, it is not same. It
प्रार्थयते.
is
Pratyate.
prarthyate.
That before ya, will not be there. Prartyate. Right? So prartyamana. This dhatu is a little confusing. Prarthayate, prartyate, there is difference. Prarthayate kartari, prartyate karmani. 10th conjugation. Trinite. Trinanaha.
Krinanaha.
Karmani.
Kriyate.
Yeah. Karmani becomes dhatu is kri dhatu. What is the karmani form of kri dhatu? We have seen. All these dhatus we have seen. Kri dhatu. Ikaranta dhatu. Huh?
Kriyate.
Kriyate.
So therefore kri yate kri yamana. No angakarya. Paryumte prayunjana.
Prayunjyate.
Not prayunjyate.
Prayujyate.
Prayunte is kartari. Dhatu is yuju dhatu. Yujyate, prayujyate, prayujyamana. Parikshate, each dhatu. Ikshate, ikshete, ikshante. The conjugation.
Parikshamana. Then
Parikshamana.
parikshyate.
Parikshamana, yes.
Parikshate.
Parikshate, karmani.
Parikshamana.
Kshamanaha.
Parikshyate, karmani, parikshyamana. Sahate.
Sahamana is kartari.
Sahamana.
And then sayyate and sayyamana.
Sahyate, sakhyamana.
Krishyate.
Yachate.
Yachamana.
Yachamana. Yachyate.
Yachyate.
Yachyamana.
From whom yachana is sought. Yachyate. Prakashate. Shines.
Prakashamana.
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 Prakashyate.
Prakashyate.
Prakash-
Yes.
Prakashyamana.
Shankate.
Shankamana.
Sankamana.
Shankamanaha.
Shankyate.
Shankyate.
Yate. Shankimanaha. Sevate.
Sevamana.
Sevamana.
Sevamanaha.
Sevyate.
Sevyate.
Yes.
Sevyamana.
Dhatu is save dhatu. First conjugation. Sevyamana. Vardate.
Vardamana.
Vardhamana.
Vardamanaha. Then
Vadyate.
not Vardhyate.
Vridhyate. Vridhyate.
Vardhyate. Dhatu is Vridha dhatu.
Vridhyamanaha.
Also in
cannot
this
go-
introduction, when he has given as Vardhyate and Vardhyamana. Before this,
Nah,
in the introduction to
that
this
is a
topic.
mistake, maybe. It's a mistake.
Acha.
I also didn't see properly that. Because dhatu is Vridha dhatu. Vridha dhatu will undergo Angakarya. Upada is Rasvaik. Then followed by Shat. Undergoes Angakarya becomes Ar Vard. Right? So it has to be Vridha dhatu. Vridhyate. Vridhyamana. Chinute.
Chinvana.
Chinvana.
Chinmana.
Karmani.
Chiyate.
Very good. That is
Chiyate.
Chiyate. Dhatu is Chi dhatu. Nakara is Ganavikrana. Therefore, don't think it is Chinyate and all. Chiyate. Chiyamana. Manaha. Upayunkte.
उपयुञ्जान
उपयुञ्जान then
उपयुज्यते
उपयुज्यते
उपयुज्यते उपयुज्य
युज्यमान
मानः
उपयुज्यमान वञ्चयते
वञ्चमानः
वञ्चयमान
वञ्चयमान
धातु
वञ्चयमानः
must be belonging to the 10th conjugation. That is why before ya you see what? A. If it is fourth conjugation and all, you will not see. Before ya, what is there? A is there. Therefore, it must be belonging to 10th conjugation. Panchayate, Panchayamana, right? Karmani of them would be
वञ्च्यते
गच्छते
Vanchyate, Vanchyamana.
ज्यमानः
वञ्च्यमानः
Karmani form will be like that. This is Karmani Shanash. Karmani Bhave, whatever it is. Bhave is absence of karma. Sarve dhatavah atmane padiraha eva bhavanti. Ataha karmani bhave dhanach eva bhavati na tu shatru pratyayah. अतः एवं वक्तुं शक्यते यत् कर्तरि परस्मैपदीनां शत्रु प्रत्ययः आत्मनेपदीनां चानचित् च भवति कर्तरि परस्मैपदीनां धातूनां शत्रु प्रत्ययः कर्तरि परस्मैपदीनां धातूनां चानच् कर्मणि अर्भावे योगे प्रयोगे सर्वेषां धातूनां शानच् एव ओन्ली शानच् एकम् कर्मणि अर्भावे अधस्तर धातूनां कर्तरि शत्रन्तं शानजन्तं वा रूपं कर्मणि रूपं शानजन्तं वा लिखता. This is revising what we have seen. So we to write shanach rupam karmani form kriya padam and then shanach rupam. So likati, likan, likyate, likyaman.
लिख्यमानः
Shrunoti,
शृण्वन्
shrunvan,
श्रूयते
shruyate. Very good.
श्रूयते
श्रूयमानः
श्रूयमानः
Shruyamana. Avalokate.
अवलोकन्
अवलोकमानः
Avalokamanaha. Yes.
अवलोक्यते
Yes.
अवलोक्यमानः
लोक्यमान
Yes. Nayati.
नयन्
Nayan.
नीयते नीयमानः
Very good. Pibati.
पिबन्
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 पीयते पीयमानः
पीयते
Piyate, piyamana. Pada.
पीयमानः
पीयते
Smarati.
पीयमानः
स्मरन् स्मर्यते
Hmm.
स्मर्यते स्मर्यमान
Very good.
स्मर्यमानः
Ikshate.
ईक्षमानः
ईक्षमान
Then,
ईक्ष्यते
ईक्ष्यते
ईक्ष्यमाणः
yes. Gayati.
गायन्
गायन्
Gayan.
गीयते
गीयते
Giyate.
गीयमानः
गीयमानः
Suchayati.
सूचयन्
Suchayan.
सूच्यते
Yes.
सूच्यमानः
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 Grannati.
गृह्णन्
Grannan. Yes.
गृह्यते
Hmm.
गृह्यमानः
गृह्यमानः
Yate grahyamanaha.
गृह्यमानः
कर्मणि शानच् कर्मणः विशेषणम् वयं कर्तरि प्रयोगं कर्मणि प्रयोगं च जानीमः कर्तरि प्रयोगे कर्तुः क्रियापदस्य कर्मणि प्रयोगे कर्मणः क्रियापदस्य च सम्बन्धः भवति इति जानीमः रावः पुस्तकं पठति तो पठति रावः पठति इत्यनयोः सम्बन्धः. Therefore we say Ramaha is the karta of the patana kriya. Similarly, Ramena pustakam patite karmani prayoge karma is connected to pustakam karma patite kriya. Tayoho sambandhaha asti. Evam cha kartari शत्रशानजन्तयोः सम्बन्धः सदापि कर्तृपदेन, कर्तरि कर्तृपदेन भवति। कर्मणि शानजन्तस्य सम्बन्धः कर्मपदेन भवति। सिम्पल्, कैन फॉलो। तन्नाम बट दिस इज कर्तृ शत्रशानजन्तरूपं कर्तृपदस्य विशेषणं, कर्मणि शानजन्तं तु कर्मणः विशेषणम्। Already we have seen Shatra and Shanashvar in Kartari, that is the Visheshanam to Kartrapada. Similarly here in Karmani, Karmani Shana should be Visheshanam to Karma. Ita Ramaha Vidyalayam Gacchati. Gachan Kriyapadam. Shatranta Gachan. It becomes Gamyate. Kaha Ramena Vidyalayaha Gamyate. So Gamyate is Gamyamana. Gamyamana will be a Visheshanam to Vidyalaya. Gamyamanaha Vidyalaya. Ramena Gamyamanaha Vidyalayaha. अथो निर्दिष्टेषु वाक्येषु क्रियापदस्थाने शत्रन्तं शानयन्तं वा यथा योग्यं लिखित्वा कर्तुः कर्मणा विशेषणं च कृत्वा वाक्यानि पुनः लिखथ। रामः फलं खादति। फलं खादन् रामः शत्रन्तः। रामेण फलं खाद्यते कर्मणि प्रयोगः। रामेण खाद्यमानं फलं। To place the Shatranta Shanajanta before the Visheshanam. Always it is good to do like that. Ramena Kadyavanam Palam. Okay. Similarly, now we can do Madhavaha Kshiram Pibati. Yes, please do.
माधवेन क्षीरं पीयते क्षीरं पिबन् माधवः and पीयमान माधवेन पीयमानं क्षीरं.
Yes. Kshiram Piban Madhavaha Kshiram Piyamane Piya. What did you say?
क्षीरं
Kshiram
पीयमानं.
Piyamanaha Madhavaha. Right? Piyaman.
No, I'm the क्षीरं पिबन् माधवः and पीयमानं क्षीरं माधवेन क्षीरं पीयमानं.
No. Oh, Piyamanam. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Madhavena Piyamanam Kshiram. That's right. Madhavena Piyamanam Kshiram. Next one. Okay, you can do.
Madhavena
That
Kshiram.
is done.
Okay.
Number 2.
Shankaraha Katam Likati. Shankarena Kata Likhyati. It will be Katam Likan Shankaraha. Shankarena Likhyamana Kata.
Yes. Shankarena Likhyamana Katha. Yes. Next one.
सेवकः कार्यं करोति सेवकेन कार्यं क्रियते कार्यं कुर्वन् सेवकः सेवकेन कार्यं क्रियमाणम्.
You can say like that. Just put adjective before the substantive. Priyamanam Karya. Okay.
क्रियमाणं कार्यम्.
Next one.
आरक्षकः चोरं गृह्णाति आरक्षकेन चोरः गृह्यते. So चोरं गृह्णन् आरक्षकः and गृह्यमानः
Yeah, correct.
गृह्यमानः चोरः आरक्षकेन गृह्यमानः चोरः.
Yes. Next one.
Aham Vartam Shrunomi. Maya Varta Shruyate. So It would be Vartam Shrunvan Aham Maya Shruyamana Varta.
Good.
गीता श्लोकं स्मरति गीतया श्लोकः स्मर्यते श्लोकं स्मरन् गीता
Slokam Smaran Gita cannot come.
स्मरता
No. Smaranti Gita.
स्मरन्ति okay.
It is spelling out. Slokam Smaranti Gita.
गीता श्लोकं स्मरन्ति गीता गीतया श्लोकः स्मर्यते स्मर्य गीतया श्लोकः
Smaryamanaha. That will be qualifier to shloka. Adjective to shloka. Shloka is pullinga. Gitaya Smaryamanaha shlokaha. Shloka which is remembered by the Gita. Okay. Next one.
स्मर्यमाणः श्लोकः
सा ग्रन्थं ददाति ददति सा ग्रन्थं ददति सा
Yes. Grantham dadati. Dadati. Yes.
तया ग्रन्थः दीयते दीयमानः ग्रन्थः
Yes.
तया
Next. Yes. Next one.
एकः कथां वदति
एषः.
एतेन एषः एषः कथां वदति एतेन कथा उच्यते
Simple. Katam vadan eshaha. That's it. Simple.
Okay.
Then etena uchyamana kada.
Okay. Uchyamana. Okay.
Converting that kriya padam into shala shantam. Qualifying the because it is karma in prathama vibhakti kata. So uchyamana kata. Kata which is told by whom? Etena is tritiya kartari tritiya. Okay, next sentence.
महिला शाटिकां क्रीणाति महिलया शाटिका क्रीयते क्रीणन्तीं शाटिकां महिलया
Shatikam
शाटिका
krinanti mahila. You say krinantim, not team.
क्रीणन्ति
Krinanti.
शाटिकां
Shatikam krinanti mahila.
महिलया शाटिका क्रियते महिलया क्रियमाणा शाटिका महिलया
Yeah. Next.
कृषिकः ग्रामं गच्छति कृषिकेणः ग्रामः गम्यते so ग्रामं गच्छन् कृषिकः and गम्यम कृषिकेणः गम्यमानः ग्रामः
Kritikena gamyamanaha. Okay. Next sentence.
छात्रः पाठं पठति छात्रेण पाठः पठ्यते so
Normally we have
छात्रेण
done a lot of abhyasa we have done. Yeah.
so छात्रेण पठ्यमानः पाठः
Patyamanaha pata. Not padyamana. Patyamanaha.
पाठः then
Patam patan chatraha. First one is patam patan chatraha. Second one
छात्रेण
chatrena
पठ्यमानः पाठः.
Yeah. Next one.
बालकः चित्रं पश्यति, बालकेन चित्रं दृश्यते. चित्रं पश्यन् बालकः, बालके दृश्यमानं चित्रं बालकेन.
Yes. Simple. अतः कानिचन वाक्ययुगलानि तेषु युगलेषु प्रथमवाक्यं कर्मणि अस्ति. प्रथमवाक्यस्य क्रियापदस्थाने शानुजन्तरूपं लिखित्वा तत् कर्मणः विशेषणत्वेन प्रयोक्तव्यम्. प्रथमवाक्ये यत् कर्म तदेव द्वितीयवाक्ये कर्तृकर्म करणादिरूपेण दृश्यते. अतः प्रदर्शित उदाहरणानुसारं वाक्यद्वयम् उपयोगित्वा एकं वाक्यं लिखत. Not difficult. You can easily understand. मया विद्यालयः गम्यते, विद्यालये ग्रन्थालयः नास्ति. Two vacuums are given. So you have to join the vacuum. That's what he says here. प्रथमवाक्यस्य क्रियापदस्थाने शब्दशानं लिखित्वा कर्मणः विशेषरूपेण प्रयोक्तव्यम्. प्रथमवाक्ये यत् कर्म, द्वितीयवाक्ये तत् कर्म कर्तृकर्म करणादिरूपेण दृश्यते. So मया विद्यालयः गम्यते. Then vidyalaya is what is the first sentence? Object, karma, right? The second sentence it can appear in karta, karma, karana, etc. So second sentence here, vidyalaye, it is in what karaka? So, adhikarana karaka. Vidyalaye granthalayah nasti. Now we have to join this sentence. How do you join? Maya vidyalaya gamyate, maya gamyamane vidyalaye granthalayah nasti. Now, next sentence. Ramena Pataha Patyate. Pate Shlokaha
सन्ति.
Santi. Then how do you join this?
So रामेण पठ्यमाने पाठे श्लोकाः सन्ति.
Yes, simple. Ramena Pataha Patyate. The Patya,
पठ्यमानः पाठः.
yeah, Ramena
पठ्यमाने
Patyamanaha
पाठे.
Patyamane Pate. Raja, second one.
आनन्देन कथा लिख्यते, कथायां
Asya Rasaha.
हास्यरसः अस्ति.
Simple.
आनन्देन लिख्यमानायां कथायां
Yes,
हास्यरसः अस्ति.
yes, good. Next sentence.
गोविन्देन फलं खाद्यते, फले बीजानि सन्ति. गोविन्देन फलं खाद्यमाने बीजानि सन्ति.
Govindena Kadyamane Pale.
गोविन्देन खाद्यमाने फले.
Only thing what you are doing is here Kriya Padam is converted to Shanach and Palam which is here that also convert accordingly to that vibhakti. And that would be see here, you see it here. Why Saptami? Because it is Saptami. The Kadyamane Pale. Govindena Kadyamane Pale. Pale already is here. That one Pale drop it. Trijani Santi. Next sentence.
वैद्येन पेटिका नीयते, पेटिकायाम् औषधम् अस्ति. वैद्येन नीयमानायां पेटिकायाम् औषधम् अस्ति.
Next sentence.
गणेशेन वस्त्राणि क्रियन्ते, वस्त्राणि सुन्दराणि सन्ति. गणेशेन क्रियमाणानि वस्त्राणि सुन्दराणि सन्ति.
Yes, good.
भवता वाक्यानि उच्यन्ते, वाक्यानि अहं शृणोमि. भवता उच्यन्ते.
Yeah. Which here?
उच्य
Uchyamanaani.
उच्यमानानि
Vakyani in the second
वाक्यानि
sentence, it is in Dvitiya. It is in Karmakarka, Dvitiya Vibhakti. So therefore, here also you have to make like that. Uchyamanani Vakyani. Bhavata. Right? Bhavata
उच्यमानानि
Uchyamanani Vakyani Aham Shrunomi. So Vakyas which are told by you, I will listen. I listen to the Vakyas of you. That is the meaning. Okay, next sentence.
अध्यापकेन पुस्तकानि दीयन्ते पुस्तकानि भवान् गृहं नयतु अध्यापकेन दीयमानानि पुस्तकानि भवान् गृहं नयतु
आरक्षकेन चोरः गृह्यते चोरः पलायनार्थं प्रयतति ओके आरक्षकेन गृह्यते गृह्यमानः सो
Yes.
आरक्षकेन गृह्यमानः चोरः पलायनार्थं प्रयतति
Yes.
स्वामिना कर्मकरी निन्द्यते कर्मकरी अस्वस्था अस्ति स्वामिना सॉरी निन्द्य निन्द्यमाने कर्मकरी
Karmakari asvastha asti. Karmakari not well. So Swamina Nindyamana. Simple. Nindyamana Pratama Bhakti.
निन्द्यमाना
Qualifying
कर्मकरी
Karmakari.
अस्वस्था अस्ति
Yeah. Swamina Nindyamana Karmakari. Right? By the master, the Karmakari who is told it's not well. Okay. Question.
मया कार्यं क्रियते भवान् कार्यस्य विघ्नं मा करोतु मया क्रियमाणस्य कार्यस्य भवान् विघ्नं मा करोतु
Very good. Next one.
रमया श्लोकः स्मर्यते
Maya Vata Shruyate.
Okay. मया वार्ता श्रूयते वार्तायां विशेषः कोऽपि नास्ति
Maya Shruyamanayam Vartayam
श्रूयमाणायां
Visheshaha Kopi
वार्तायां
Nasti.
विशेषः कोऽपि नास्ति ओके
Simple. Vartayam cha Saptami. Accordingly, make Shruyamanayam. Next one.
रमया श्लोकः स्मर्यते श्लोकम् अहम् अपि जानामि
Lokam is in Dvitiya Vibhakti, second sentence. Accordingly, you have to make it here.
स्मर्यमानः श्लोकः रमया श्लोकम् अहम्
No,
अपि जानामि
correct. That doesn't make meaning, right? Ramaya Smaryamanam Shlokam Aham Api Janami. How can be Smaryamanaha Shlokaha Ramaya Aham only pending? The shloka which is remembered by Rama, I know. So I know what? Shloka. Shloka is the object. That is qualified by Vishanach, Smaryamana. By whom? By Rama. Remembered by Rama. The shloka which is remembered by Rama, I know. So I know the shloka. Shloka is the common object for both. So the second sentence in joint is in karma. Therefore, Smaryamana, Smaryate should be Smaryamanam. Cannot be in other vibhakti. Smaryamanaha we cannot say. There's no meaning at all. Next one.
कृष्णेन गीतं गीयते गीतं भवती जानाति वा कृष्णेन गीयमानं गीतं भवती जानाति वा
Yes, so simple. Yes.
शिशुना क्षीरं पीयते क्षीरं मधुरम् अस्ति सो शिशुना क्षीरं पीयमानं क्षीरं मधुरम् अस्ति
शिशुना पीयमानं क्षीरं मधुरम् अस्ति. Yes. Last one.
बालिकया उद्यानं दृश्यते उद्याने सुन्दराणि पुष्पाणि सन्ति दृश्यमानम् उद्यानं बालिकया
No, no, no. दृश्यमानम् उद्यानं दृश्यमानम्. Okay, but second sentence it is udyane. In the udyana, in the garden, apadana karak. Beautiful flowers are there. Sundarani pushpani santi.
दृश्यमाने
Yeah.
दृश्यमाने उद्याने
Hmm.
बालिकया सुन्दराणि पुष्पाणि सन्ति
You have to rearrange it properly. Balikaya drishyamane udyane sundarani pushpani santi. Okay, stop here. This book will be over in another few pages only left out. Next class will complete. And Sati Saptami, some exercises are there. Will do. Okay, stop here. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om Dhanyawad.
धन्यवाद
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.
धन्यवादः